So I posted a video last week saying, why are you guys upset about this handshake? And Ben Johnson saying, F the Packers. Don't we want our players, don't we want our coaches to show some emotion? Remember a few years ago, James Harden was eliminated from a playoff game, and within an hour he was at the club while his fans were upset. He was partying, and we're like, this guy doesn't care. It was a heated rivalry. They scored 25 points at home in a playoff game in the fourth quarter. And now the Sean McVay coaching tree is upset with Ben Johnson. What is Matt LaFleur, the baby brother? He needs Kyle Shanahan and Sean McVay to fight his battles. I'm a Packer fan, and I'm disgusted by this. Let our players, let our coaches show some emotion. Ben Johnson said from day one, I love beating Matt LaFleur. I hate the Packers. He's been no different from day one. Stop criticizing him. Stop saying this is unprofessional. He just won the biggest game of his career. I'll give him a pass. And he hates the Packers. That's a fact.